Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xfinity TV box stuck on boot. So whenever you face these types of problems, the first thing that you need to do is to simply do a proper power reset. For that, you just have to unplug the Xfinity box from the power. Do not just turn it off with the help of the remote. After doing this, wait for 60 seconds. So after the 60 seconds, simply plug the power cable back in and allow the box to reboot completely. So in this particular process, you need to be patient here. It may take around 1 to 2 minutes. So most of the Xfinity boxes need 1 to 2 minutes in order to fully restart. Many of the boot problems disappear after this particular step. So if in your case the issue still persists, you can try our second solution. In it, you just have to basically inspect all the physical connections. So first of all, check the power cable, then check the HDMI cable, then check the coax cable if your setup uses one. Just make sure that everything is firmly connected. Sometimes the loose cables frequently cause the startup failures. Now, if the screen shows the boot messages but never completes, the box may not be receiving the proper signal. So in this situation, you just have to basically restart your modem or the gateway. The signal interruptions often prevent the box from loading correctly. Now you can also try another method in which you can power the instability is a hidden but common issue. So you can plug the TV box directly into the wall socket and avoid any power strips if possible. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.